How to remove parental control on Google account. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Play Store. Then tap on your profile icon from your top right corner. After that, go to Settings. Now go to Family. Go to Parental Controls. Now in order to toggle it off, simply tap on the toggle button, and then all you have to do is enter your PIN. Since I do not have parental controls turned on, I will need to create a new pin. But if yours is turned on and you want to toggle it off but you don't know the pin to it, what you will have to do is simply go to Settings, go to Apps, then locate your Google Play Store, go to its storage section, and then tap on Clear Data, confirm clearing data, and the parental control will be removed. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.